Hello guys, this is Mr. Paradox and I am back with the tutorial. And I have done nothing since last time, so we can get right into it. But first, let's see where we left off. We left off at the great path, by the way. Why it takes time? Quite the room. I have not, you know, created them yet. We will do it once the menu is finished. And we already made these buttons begin levels back shop. This is where what we were making. We have some mistakes we done. Okay, looks good enough. Quit and back. This is going to be changed. This is going to be restored purchases, so everything could be restored. But first let's set one. Quit. Selected. No, this is fine. This one, creation code. Okay, that is not what I object menu GUI shop. It has image index and that 0. Okay, we need to make a lot of things in draw event, and the buttons we need left release 0 and 1. This one action equals 0, not 1. So it should do something. Oh, but let's not make it right now. That is going to lot of things, but first we need to create a okay we need some variables first. So price a, not a, what is the color? uh, Reference red. Price red equals 0. But do we really need it? Yes, we need variables. 0 item text equal item 1. This script equal nothing yet. Okay, should be for now, but let's also make this copy, paste and paste, green and purple. So green and purple. So just for changing things, and we need to add event, a step event, by the way. So we need to set shop stuff stum. Basically, this will do some more, but what we need right now is to figure out what to say. So let's say if okay, we also need action, some sort of. So order equals 0. And what the hell did I just press? No. Yes. If order equals 0, simply uh, do nothing and just copy it. This is going on much in our tutorials, as I know, but it's the easiest I can think of. So if order equals 1, And what are the variables again? Price RGB, item T, the script. So where, where I am making a lot of mistakes today. Okay, here, this here, show information here. Just okay. By the way, if you press show information, it shows all the information, all the code events. So if order equals 1, I want the P price R equal 20. Mm, actually nothing. No, 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 we need something to buy. So 0. You will get what? The first order will be item T will be let's see what it should be called. Free levels, free levels. So it should be free. So you can always add in and get the 5 free levels on top. And this script will be free playable levels. Free playable levels. Okay, so if order equal 1, that will be there. Not delete add event. Draw event. We need to draw. Okay. So control. By the way, we don't actually need it that. Seriously, what I'm thinking, I can basically do that all over again in the draw event. Okay, I am missing something. Today not in the swing. So draw if already was. Yeah, we don't actually need the step event for the market. We might not actually know. We don't. Why the hell did I do that? Okay, order 0, draw event, draw equal 1, same stuff, order equal 1, draw text, okay. Now I'm thinking why I needed these either. Seriously. Yeah, I don't need them. The order is fine. If order equal 1, draw text, reference menu GUI, not here. Here, this is 2010. So 2010, and the string will be, let's write if order equal 1, free levels. We also need to set the font. So draw set font. What is the blue smaller one? What is the smallest one? This is 18. This is 12. FT3 font FT3. That will do it. Font will be small. Draw text. This first here. Draw. Is there a paragraph option? Nah. Draw text. Let's see. Text color ext. What the hell is it ext? Draw text ext plus topics. Draw text. This is basically what we are doing. ext showing the distance pixel between lines of text. Maximum width in pixel of the string game for a line break. Okay, this is what we need. Draw text ext. Draw text ext. Okay, where the line will start. The line shall start in 6 here 1339. 1339. The description box will say free playable levels for player player one time payment. No, this is going to be a thing, so we don't need to put that. Free playable levels for player. And okay, so what is the distance pixel between lines? So let's see. The distance in pixel will be, if 39 is there, I want that to be 10 pixels. Let's say 10. No, the word is 12, and if it's number 7, yeah, 10 pixels. And the width will be, if it's starting at 13, so if we are starting this in 13, so this should end here. Let's say 149. So 149 minus 13, 3 146, 136. So if we need 136, right? The maximum worth width in pixels. Okay, this is top project in the top right of the. This is something else. This is same thing but with colors, so we don't actually need it. Let's see other one. Room shop creation code order equal 1. Just work. If it works, then fine. By the way, so this is going to be the end also. So see you soon. Have a nice day. This was Mr. Paradox, and like, share, subscribe. Subscribe a lot, share a lot. I don't care if you like me or not. Please share and subscribe me a lot. Okay, this is a trouble. That what happened. First of all, why the hell the colors are here and there? The object colors. Draw text X. Okay, I think they mistaken the text for something else. But that's leave it at there. So see you soon at the world of greatness.